Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kadekar, episode number 36. Today's rubric is Company Desires for. Now, what is meant by company? A company is a state of being with someone or to go or be with somebody so that he or she is not alone, or it is a companionship. This is company. And what is the Hindi meaning? संगति, किसी के साथ जाना या होना. दिस इज हिंदी मीनिंग. देन मराठी मीनिंग संगति, सहचर्य, सोबत. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग. देन व्हाट आर द रेमेडीज फॉर कंपनी डिजायर्स फॉर. फर्स्ट इज अर्जेंटम नाचिकम, देन आर्सेनिक, बिस्मथ, कैलकेरे कार्प, आयोसाइमस, काली कार्प, लैक्कैन, lycopodium, natrum, phosphorus, apis, calcarea, camphor, kelmia, conium, zelsinium, ignitia, califos, calisulf, lilium-tic, pulsatilla, sepia, spongia, and stramonium. So these are the number of remedies for company desires for. Now we'll see the differentiating remedies for company desires. The first is calcarea. Calcarea has company desires alone when aggravation. There is emulsion in company. Then company desires, especially small animals of species. Then this is calcarea. Then calisulf. In calisulf, there is a company desires alone when aggravation. Company desires alternating with aversion to company, or there is a emulsion in company, or emulsion or desires company friends of. This is calisulf. Then in spongia, there is a desire for company alone when aggravation. Then company desires, there is emulsion in company. Then company desires especially friends of. This is spongia. Then next up is stramonium. Stramonium, there is a company desires, especially during night. Company desires alone when aggravation. Company desires alone when aggravation, especially fever during. Then there is emulsion in company. Then especially there is company desires in children or menses during. This is stramonium. So these are the some of remedies for desire for company. Now we'll see the cross references for company desires for. First is anxiety alone when. Anxiety, it is a discomfort about something doubtful, a state of being worried or fear about something, or anxiety has no definite cause. It expresses more than uneasiness or disturbance, and even more than a trouble. It is an uncomfortable feeling of nervousness or worry about something that is happening or might happen, especially in the future, especially of something bad. This is anxiety alone when. The next cross reference, cheerfulness company. Cheerfulness means it is a being full of or promoting cheer, having or showing good spirit. Cheerfulness is a quality of brightness and optimism, or it is a state that other people can usually sense from your happiness or the smile on your face. Even during the course of sickness, he is in a good spirit or happy mood. This is cheerfulness company. Then next cross reference, contact desire for. Contact means touching, state of being in communication. Then next cross reference, delusions alone being. Delusion means imagination, or it is a misleading opinion or idea or false belief, or it is an erroneous belief that is held in the face of evidence to the contrary. This is delusion alone being. Then next cross refers delusion disgraced. What is the disgrace? Disgrace is the loss of honor, respect, or reputation or shame. This is disgraced. Next cross reference, delusion, forsaken is. What is my forsaken? Forsaken means it is a feeling of being left alone without help or to withdraw protection, support, or help from. Then next cross reference, delusion, friend, affection of has lost the. What is affection? Affection is a feeling of liking and caring for someone or something. The next cross reference, delusion, friendless he is. Next cross reference, delusion, help, calling for. Then next cross reference, estranged family from his. Estranged means alienated or separated feeling due to strained relations between friends and family, or it is a keeping away or apart from or from a customer, place, occupation, etc. This is estranged. Then next cross reference, excitement, company in pen. What is my excitement? Excitement is a feeling of lively and cheerful joy, or it is a state of being emotionally aroused and worked up or stirred up emotions, or it is an act of exciting emotionally to a slightest provocation. This is excitement. Then next cross reference, fear alone of being. Fear, it is a frightened or frightful feeling having a definite cause, or it is an unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you are frightened or worried about something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. So this is fear. The next cross reference, fear death of alone when. The next cross reference, fear happen something will alone emulation by. Then emulation by when. Then next cross reference, fear people of being alone yet fear of. Then next cross reference, fear solitude of. Solitude means it is state of being alone, especially when you find this pleasant and peaceful. This is solitude. Then next cross reference, forsaken feeling. Forsaken feeling means it is a feeling of being alone without help, or it is meant by abandoned, or it is meant by it is a constant feeling of being neglected or feeling left by others to withdraw protection, support, or help from others. This is forsaken feeling. Then forsaken feeling, isolation sensation of. Isolation means it is a feeling of complete separation or alone by dear ones. This is forsaken feeling, isolation sensation of. Then next cross reference, inconsolable, alone, and darkness, aggravation. Inconsolable means it is a feeling of something to such an extent that no amount of consolation bring him any comfort, or it is incapable of being consoled or confronted, sad beyond comforting, incapable of being consoled. This is inconsolable. Then next cross reference, indifference, company, society while in emulation. Indifference, it is a lack of interest in something or someone, it is a quality of not caring about or being interested in something. This is indifference. And next cross reference, irritability, alone when. Irritability means easily annoyed or feeling of something disagreeable to one's mind, a state of excitability of to impatience or anger or annoyance, or it is a abnormal or excessive excitability of an organ or a part of the body. It is a state in which the person is easily annoyed, but it is less intense than anger. This is irritability. Then next cross reference, laughing, company. Laughing means showing mirth, showing happiness, or it is a state of expressing emotion with an audible vocal expulsion of air from lungs. This is laughing. Then rage, alone when. Rage means it is a violent, uncontrollable anger. Rage is a strong anger that is difficult to control. Violent anger expressed into wild, excited words and gestures spread with a destructive effect. This is rage alone when. Then next first reference, restlessness alone when. Restlessness means it is unable to stay or still or quiet. It is a state of being deprived of rest, discomfort, which refers more to the feeling than to the behavior. It is an inability to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or boredom or having no peace of mind. This is restlessness. Then next cross reference, sadness alone when. Sadness is unhappiness, sorrow, gloomy emotion experienced when not in a state of well-being, or sadness in an emotional pain associated with or characterized by feeling of disadvantage, loss, despair, grief, helplessness, disappointment, and sorrow. So this is sadness. Then next cross reference, social mating emulation. Social mating emulation. What is my social? It is a meeting related to interaction between people, friends, and neighbors so as to discuss some issue or for a fun and enjoyment. This can be possibly by making some social groups, meeting regularly or occasionally for enjoyment or discuss some social issue. The next cross reference, talks, desire to talk to someone. Talk is the act of communication or exchanging ideas, information, etc. by speaking. Then next cross reference, weeping alone when. Weeping means to express grief or anguish by tears or shedding tears to express grief, sorrow, or any overpowering emotion. This is weeping. So these are all the cross references for the company desires for. Now we'll see the miasm for company desires for. And miasm is Sora. So friends, this is, thank you.